Now on your Windows 10 or 11, when you click on this network icon on the right hand corner, you find that the Wi-Fi option, the Wi-Fi icon is missing. And even when you right click on the Windows icon, go to settings, network and internet, the Wi-Fi option even doesn't show up here. Now for further troubleshooting, what most people do, like they go to the device manager and look for the network adapter. Even they don't find the Wi-Fi adapter here as well. So if you also have some issues related to the Wi-Fi, like the Wi-Fi is not working, it's not connecting, it's not showing up, then make sure you watch this video, apply all the solution, and I'm pretty sure by the end of this video, your problem will be surely fixed. Alright, so without any further delay, let's quickly get started. And I will start with the very basic troubleshooting, that is checking for the Wi-Fi key on your keyboard. Especially if you are on a laptop, then sometime it accidentally get pressed and the Wi-Fi on your device get disappeared. So even if you are using a desktop as well, and if you have any advanced keyboard, kindly check your keyboard of your both laptop and PC. If there is any kind of Wi-Fi key that should be on the top of the keyboard, and if you find it, try to press once, and after that notice that if you find any difference, your Wi-Fi comes back or not. Next, you need to make sure that your network, your Wi-Fi drivers, and even Windows are up to date. So again, you can bring up settings, click on Windows Update from the left hand side, click on Advanced option, click on Optional Update, click on Drivers Update, and here you might find any drivers related to the Wi-Fi. Like right now you can see, I can see for my LAN driver, even the Intel Corporation and Intel driver update. Now this is another reason why your Wi-Fi doesn't show up, because of the outdated or the corrupted driver. So what you need to make sure, you check all these drivers here and click download and install, and wait until all these drivers are being downloaded and installed on your device. Alright, so now you can see that all the drivers are being successfully downloaded and installed, and it says completed. Additionally, what else I would recommend you, that kindly go ahead and update your Windows 10 or 11 as well. So you can click on check for update, and if there are any kind of updates available that can be related to any kind of bug on your Windows, then it will be surely fixed. So on my side, you can see I have no update available, so that's okay for me. Now after doing this, you can come back again to network and internet in the settings and check back whether the Wi-Fi option is back or not. So on my side, you can see I still don't find the Wi-Fi option. Now next, what you have to do, many times it happens that the Wi-Fi, the WLAN service get disabled. I have read in many forums and in many blogs that people reporting that their service was being automatically disabled, and due to which they were not able to use the Wi-Fi. So click on Windows search, type services, and click on services here. And here in the services, you have to look for a service by the name WLAN auto config. So press the W key, scroll down, and somewhere you will find the WLAN auto config, this one. Once you get it, make a double click on it, and here you can see the service has been disabled. So you will also have to check here if you find it disabled or to manual or to automatic delayed start, then you will have to make it to automatic. Click on apply, click on start, click on OK again, and then you can close it. Now this time if I hover up on my network icon, bingo. So now you can see the Wi-Fi option is back here. Even if I go to settings, network and internet, the Wi-Fi option came back. Alright, so far what I'm expecting, guys, that many of you might have got the solution by applying all these fixes. And if your Wi-Fi is also back, then you are good to go. But still, if you don't find your Wi-Fi option, and if it doesn't show up here in the settings as well, then next what you have to do, right click on Windows icon, click on device manager. In the device manager, you will have to look for the network adapters. Make a double click on it. And here you need to look for your network Wi-Fi adapter that should be by the name Intel Wi-Fi 6AX, or probably if you're using the Realtek or the TP-Link, you will have to look for the Wi-Fi adapter. Now probably if you don't find it here, then what you can do, you can click on network adapter. Then from the top you need to click on view, Click show hidden devices and check back again. Still, if you don't find here, again click on network adapter, click on action and click on scan for hardware changes. Now probably you will find the Intel Wi-Fi adapter here. Now on my side, what you can see, this adapter got disabled, for which there can be multiple reasons, like it got disabled by any kind of program, or you accidentally disabled it and you don't remember it. Now what do you need to do? You need to make a right click on it. First you need to enable the device. Once enabled, you can check back again, like the Wi-Fi is back. But still, if you don't find the Wi-Fi option here, then what do you have to do next? Click on network adapter again. Click on action. Click add legacy hardware. Click on next. Choose install the hardware that I manually select. Click next. Choose the network adapter from the list here. Click on next. Now here from the left hand side, you will have to browse for your manufacturer of the Wi-Fi. Like I'm using the Intel, I know that, so I will look for Intel here. Then on the right hand side, you will have to look for the right model. And most probably it should be by the name Intel Wi-Fi 6, similar to that. So if you don't find in the Intel section, then you can click on Intel Corporation. And here you can scroll down and you will find all these options over here. Here it is, Intel Wi-Fi 6 AX200 160mH. Now in case if you are not sure that which option you need to pick, you can pick any one similar to it. And then you have to click on next. Click on next. Now it will be installing the adapter. And once you click on finish, the adapter will be installed. But you can see as of now, it shows me the yellow triangle mark. Okay, so what do you have to do? Just make a right click on it and click on uninstall device, or you can even click on scan for hardware changes. If it doesn't work, then you have to make a right click on it again and click on uninstall device. Click uninstall, and then you have to go ahead and restart the computer. And once you restart the computer, you will find that your adapter is back and the Wi-Fi is working. But before that, I would also recommend you to run few kind of commands that are very important. So click on Windows search again. Type CMD, the command prompt will be up, right click on it, click run as administrator, click on yes. And the first command that you will have to type will be netsh space winsock space reset and hit the enter key. It will ask you successfully reset and to restart the computer, so we can do that later on. And the next one will be netsh space int space ip space reset. All these commands you will find in the description. You can even copy and paste. Now again hit the enter key. Next will be ipconfig space / release. This will be releasing your current IP address. Again hit the enter key. And now instead of release, you have to type renew so that it can assign you a new IP address. Alright, so once the command is completed, the last command will be ipconfig space / flush DNS. So this will be flushing all the DNS resolver cache, so that if there is any problem, if there was any problem with the cache of the DNS, everything will be cleared out and whatever issue was been there, it will be fixed. Alright, now after doing all these steps, now finally you have to go ahead and restart the computer. So let me quickly go ahead and restart it. Alright guys, so finally the computer has been restarted. And now this time, if I hover up on my network icon, you can see I can see the Wi-Fi option and even I can connect it. Even if I go to settings, network and internet, the Wi-Fi option appear over here with all these settings. Alright, so these were the best solution guys that will be surely helping you. But in case, still if you have the issues and you have tried all the best solution and nothing worked for you, and you're not able to find the Wi-Fi icon in the system tray or in the settings or in the device manager, then for the last, which will be very effective, will be the power flash. And in the power flash, what you have to do, sometime while operating your device, your hardware, it collects a lot of static charges like your Wi-Fi adapter, your audio adapter. And just because of that also, you might have such kind of problem. So what you need to do, you need to flush it so that those all static charges can be removed. And in order to do that, if you're using a PC, then you have to disconnect all kind of cable, all kind of external devices, unplug your power cable, unplug the Ethernet cable. Once everything has been unplugged, now you need to press and hold the power button for like 25 or 20 seconds. Keep holding it. And once done, you can reconnect all the cable, reconnect all the devices, and then you can start the computer. Same you can do with a laptop. If you have connected any external device, unplug it, unplug the charger. If you have a removable battery, then you can also unplug it. And then you need to press and hold the power button like for 15 to 20 seconds. Then again, you can plug in the charger and restart the computer. So that's all guys for today, and hopefully you will find a solution here. And if yes, then please let me know that which solution worked for you, and I see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.